Hi, welcome to Livy Portraits. My name's Livy and today in this short video I'm going to give you my 10 top tips on how to produce a realistic looking face from a reference photograph. So these are the key factors that I've learned over many years of drawing portraits that you'll find really useful, and hopefully you can apply them to your future portrait projects. So when we're creating portraits, whether it's a pastel drawing, an oil painting or a monochrome pencil portrait, we need to start with the initial construction drawing, and it's really important that we get this accurate. I've spent many a frustrated day in my studio trying to salvage an unsuccessful portrait painting and repainting and redrawing bits, and I can't work out where I've gone wrong, only to realise that it's the initial structural drawing that was incorrect. So getting a good drawing in place with accurate proportions and positioning of features provides a strong foundation to work from, and it can save loads of hassle further on down the line, and there's more chance of it leading to a successful, realistic end result. So, number 1, remember the rules of facial proportion.
It's helpful to put a few positional lines in place to help us with the proportions. We know that when looking front on at an adult face from eye level, from the top of the skull to the bottom of the chin, the eye line, which is a horizontal line running directly through the middle of the eyes, falls halfway down the face, so this can be indicated with a faint line. All the features on the face fall into the bottom half section of the head. The base of the nose, mouth and chin can also be indicated with a line. The hairline usually starts roughly halfway between the top of the skull and the eye line.
Number 2, always draw to scale.
Having your reference photo the same size as you want your drawing to be, it makes life much easier. Trying to scale your drawing up or down with the naked eye is just an unnecessary challenge. If your reference photo is small, use a photocopier to enlarge it to the size you want to draw. Keep the photo close and in line with your drawing so that you can dart your eyes back and forth from one image to the other.
Number 3, squint your eyes to simplify the shapes.
By half closing your eyes, it helps to blur the image and makes it easier to identify the shapes. Concentrate on the large areas, keep it simple, and stand back at regular intervals.
Number 4, resist the urge to shade in and add detail at this stage.
Adding detail and texture is the fun bit, but try and save it until you've got the proportions and construction right first. You don't want to spend hours drawing a beautiful eye only to find that it's in the wrong position.
Number 5, start from the middle and work your way outwards.
It's easier to rub out, adjust the jawline or the top of the head than it is to redraw the features. Don't be afraid to use a rubber. Drawing faces is all about adjusting and correcting.
Number 6, use your pencil as a measuring tool.
To measure the width of spaces between the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the length of the hairline to the eyebrows.
Number 7, look for masses and shapes.
Concentrate on drawing the contours of the shadow shapes and try and identify the tonal masses and planes on the face.
Number 8, look at the image and the drawing upside down.
Having your reference photo and the drawing upside down helps you to view the image in an abstract series of shapes and tones. It stops your brain from recognizing it as a face and allows your observational eye to take over.
Number 9, look for negative space.
Negative shapes are the gaps or spaces between objects or features. Looking at the negative space can help you make more accurate observations. Give negative space as much emphasis as the positive objects.
Finally, number 10, trust what your eyes are seeing and not what your logical brain is trying to tell you.
Learn to really see what's in front of you and hone your observational skills. Spend time studying your reference photo. You should be looking at the photo as much or more than you're looking at your drawing.
Well, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please click on the like button and feel free to send me any comments or questions. So that's all for now. See you next time. Take care.